Welcome to Magic CSC by Eezytutorials. To watch the same content in Tamil, click the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to see the DQL commands union, union all and minus. So you are having two queries. You want to combine two queries or you want to combine the result of two queries. Then you will be using union and union all. One query is from one table, another query is from another table. I want to combine the result set of both the tables. Then you will be using either union or union all. So we'll see the difference. So we are having some criteria to use the union and union all. We'll see the demo first. So I'm having two tables, sample 1A and sample 2A. So both the tables are having name and age. So the column name is same, the data type is also same. So in the first column 1A, I am having two records Anu, Raj. In the second table sample 2A, I am having two records Priya, Anu. So here Anu is common, right? So now if I combine the query, select star from sample 1A is displaying only this content from sample 1A. Select star from sample 2A is displaying the content only from sample 2A. I want to combine both the results together. I have to use either union or union all. So now first I am applying union. So union means it will be combining both the tables. Then it will search for any common records. So here Anu is the common record. So the common record Anu will be displayed only one time. It will not display twice. So that is the meaning for union. So Anu 18, Raj. So the content of the first table is printed as such. The second table, first tuple is printed. Second tuple is checked across the first table. It is matching. So if it is matching, only one time it will be printed. It will not be repeated. That is called as union. If you want to repeat it, just you don't compare the content of first table and second table. Just paste it together. Just combine it together. You want to do that, then you have to use union all. Select star from sample 1A, union all, select star from sample 2A. So now here the first table tuples, then second table tuples. Together it is united. So this is the meaning of union and union all. So if you want to use union and union all, you have to satisfy three conditions. You are using union and union all across two tables, right? Both the tables should have the same number of columns and also their data type should be similar and their order should be same. So here I am having two columns. Here also I am having two columns. Both are having same data types. Yes. If you are describing and seeing, it will be having same data types and it is appearing like name followed by age. Here also name followed by age. So the order should be same, the data type should be same, the count of the column should be same. Then only you will be able to apply the union and union all command. So the next command which we are going to see is minus. So minus is used for subtracting the results of two columns. Suppose this is my table 1, this is my table 2. The matching content will be removed and the unmatched content will be displayed. That is the meaning of minus 1. So here you can subtract either table 1 from table 2 or 2 from 1. Anyway, vice versa you can do. So select star from sample 1A minus sample 2A. So this is my 1A, this is my 2A. The matching record is Anu. So from, I have given 1A first, right? So from the 1A, the matching content alone will be removed and the unmatched content, the remaining unmatched content is Raj. That alone will be printed. That is the meaning for minus. So if you are giving two queries, yes. So here I got Raj tuple alone. Suppose I am subtracting the second table from first. See, first from second. Like sample 2A minus sample 1A. So again the matching content is Anu. Here in this table Anu will be remain. From the second table Anu will be removed and Priya alone will be displayed. So this is my minus command. So hope you understood. So minus means the matching content of both the tables will be removed and the unmatched content of the first table which you are specifying in the query. So what you are specifying here, that alone will be the unmatched content of this first displayed table or first specified table will be projected. That is called as minus command. So in the next video, we will be seeing some other query. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Do post your valuable comments. Check for useful links in the description box. For more technical videos, stay tuned to Magic CSC by Eezytutorials. Thank you.